Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna share my trip to Gilgit and Naltar back in July 2019. Yes, just before the COVID and all the roads which are going towards it. So we started our journey from the Islamabad, passing from the Hazara motorway. We reached to the Aptabad. Let's say Aptabad was our first station. From Rawalpindi or Islamabad, you can reach Aptabad by road in less than 3 hours. Aptabad is a junction from where you can go places like Hanza, Gilgit, Uskardi. Then there comes Mansehra, and after Mansehra, you reach to the Balakot. Balakot is located on the right bank of Kunhar River. You can have a short stay for snacks and rest at this place. After Balakot, you reach to the Naran and Kagan. In Naran and Kagan, you can have a small stay for one night or two. There are many restaurants and hotels which offer their services there. However, COVID-19 is affecting the influx of tourists nowadays. But with the proper following of SOPs, you can still enjoy the area. After the Naran and Kagan, you reach to the Lulusar lake. This lake is situated between Babusar Top and Naran. Its name in local language is Lulusar, which translates to pearls in English. If you visit in the afternoon, you will see the sunlight making twinkling pearls in it. The road is also very well made, but you should keep a check on weather. Do not travel in rainy days, the sliding is deadly. Do try to go there early in the morning to avoid the traffic. After the Babusar, you reach the most beautiful and heavenly place called Giti Das. I personally loved this place. The view was so awesome and very eye-catching. You feel like you are going from the different world. This place is so beautiful. I'm coming for the throne. After crossing the Giti Das, you reach to the Babusar Top. It is a mountain pass in Pakistan at the north of the 150 km long Kagan Valley. It is the highest point in the Babusar Valley that can be easily accessed by cars. The Babusar Pass connects Khyber Pakhtunkhwa with Gilgit-Baltistan. Again, I'll say, try to go there early in the morning to avoid the traffic. Babusar Top was originally known as Babar Top, originating from the fact that the Mughal Emperor Babur used to pass through this area in the early 16th century. Nowadays, it is commonly referred to as Babusar Top. The temperature is very cold here. The maximum temperature in summers is 11 and the minimum temperature is 3. After descending from Babusar Pass, Chalas come with patchy roads. I couldn't shoot any video due to night time. The next day in early morning, we started our journey to Gilgit onwards to Naltar. Naltar is a valley which has a village PF base, guest house, ski resort and 3 lakes at the end. You can rent a jeep from Gilgit to Naltar. Naltar has 3 lakes at the end. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to get to the lakes. It starts with a bumpy trek through dry rocky mountains. Finally, after 3 hours and you will reach the first Naltar lake. They have individual names but usually they are called Satrangi lakes. Satrangi lakes are green, yellow, blue, azure in colors. I'm coming for the throne. The natural beauty of this place is unmatched. Pakistan have world's most beautiful places to visit. Especially the northern part of the country is famous all around the world because of sky-high mountains, lush green valleys, mighty rivers, beautiful lakes and amazing wildlife. I hope you enjoy the video.